In this episode, we're going to create an opening for your PVC track for your heater welt to come out either top or bottom. This heat gun, wear polaric gloves. This nice gun, you can set, if you're working on a boat, you can set it down. It's not going to lay and burn your upholstery. What I'm going to do is heat the plastic, the PVC up. Keep the gun moving so that you're not burning your track, turn it to marshmallow. Put a piece of heater welt in there. A little pressure to push it out. Don't take long to cool. Now you get an opening in your track, your heater welt or your closure will slide in and out. This way, and if it's in there, it's not going to come out this way, but tip like this, and you can clear the opening like so.